What's up guys? At ayun na nga, promise kong beat, sumakto pa talaga. 1 year tayo sa YouTube and Air Force 1 din ang aking ito-custom. At ipapag-giveaway ko to dahil mabait ako. So yun, size 5.5 to. Tayo nyo na lang sa description link. Ay, tignan nyo na lang sa description link or sa Facebook. Link ko na yan nakalagay. And gusto ko na naman 1K subs eh. Pero syempre, nagawa pa rin ako ng twist para sa kapakanan ko din. At i-restore ko pa at custom. Meron akong choice. So, take it or leave it. Gusto nga hindi. Kaya ko ito bibigay. Bahala ako buhay mo. At ang dami nagsasabing fake. Ang dami nagsasabing legit. So, nakakagulo ko. Sino pa paniwalaan ko. So, pag sa atin kasi legit, siya ang bigat niya. Siya yung normal na fake. Stitching naman okay din. Glitters lang talaga. So, ayun. Ililinisin ko muna siya. And, nare-restore. Hindi ko na pala nare-restore. Release na lang din. Custom agad. So, yun. Simula na tayo. Let's go! Ayan na nga. Babalik na tayo. Lilinisin na natin siya. So, ang gagamitin natin is Sunrocks. Magbabalik tayo sa Sunrocks. Brush. Walang tubig. Kukuha mo ng tubig. Sa tissue for the sock liner. Saka sa tank. Lang kuha ng tubig. Pag natin linisan, tatanggalin natin yung lace. Start na tayo mag-linis kasi tanggalin yung lace. So, dahil ko ito dito. Hindi siya mag-swimming dyan.
Comfortable with being comfortable. I'm trying to do the unthinkable. I'd rather die than be stuck in the cubicle. I'd rather spend my whole life in the studio. Practice my swing, I've been working on hits. Trying to do shows and sold out events. All of these rappers be claiming they next. The way they be moving, I'm never convinced. Look at the odds, I came to get even. Gave them a chance, they gave me a reason. Open their eyes, they all see the vision. 2019 and it's almighty season. Been on the edge, I might jump on my skin. I cannot act like I'm one of your friends. Put on a smile, sit back and pretend like all your music is 10 out of 10. Ain't like me then, what you think of me now? I see their faces when I come around. I used to dream about being the king, but now I'm more than a throne and a crown.
So, yun na nga. Tapos na natin siyang linisin. Papansin nyo, bakit sa gitna yung tape? Secret. Kasi, ganito yung custom ko. Baka mag-react na naman yung nagpamarunong dyan na mag-restore. Ang tanga-tanga mo, bakit dyan mo tinape, bakit sa gitna? Mas marunong kayo sa akin. 2 taon na ako dito. And, yun nga, ang gagamitin ko dito is black Royal 5. Hindi nyo nakikita kasi gusto ko nakikita nyo rin ako paano ko gumawa. And angular brush, acetone, bulak, kape. Kape sila. Start na tayo.
Parents planted seeds out the dirt I rose. Knew I was a star when you born with it, you know. Pockets on swole, full of dead presos. Lately I've been flexing like that nigga Rondo. Shorty dated too many niggas I know. Coming from the streets, you know that's a no-no. Quick to send a text, I don't need your convo. Lately I'm ignoring everyone that I thought I know. I push too much feelings to the side. I took too many, let that shit slide. I know haters rather see a nigga die. Pop up out the cake with a shotty like surprise. I push too much feelings to the side. I took too many, let that shit slide. I know haters rather see a nigga die. Pop up out the cake with a shotty like surprise. It's your birthday. You ain't tryna spend it in the worst way, but niggas rather send you to.
Yeah, wow, where we at now? I don't really got no time to play around. Wow, making beats up in my playground. Since I was a kid, I knew I always had to make sound. Wow. Yeah, 2K19. Swear to God, I'm taking over 19. Hey, bad, 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 hit a $250,000. When it's here, pretty chilly. I've been trying to find me really well. Wow, silly yo, I be gone like Cheerio. Really though, swear we finna get the goal. You the goat, but the most been getting old. Standing still, yeah, I'm getting way too cold. Like it's uno dos, I go single on these hoes. Dozen songs, dozen shows, guess that's just one way to grow. Rappers, they don't show their lows. Gucci down right to the toes, 100K right on the clothes. Out of here like adios, bye. People push the problems to the side. Tell you it's the truth, but they just lie. Tell them, can you look me in my eyes? Funny what these people can just hide. Okay, I'ma need to find a flow. Feel like eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'ma catch whatever by the toe. You know I am not your average Joe. Tell her I'ma go and I'ma go. I just wanna grow, I wanna grow. Tell her I'ma go and I'ma go. I just wanna grow, I wanna grow. Whoa. Ay, high up in the mountains in the snow. Yeah. Swear I'm feeling higher than a crow. No, but ask them what the colors say below. 0 to 100 when I slow.
I'ma just get it to go, taking it out of the store, out of the vault. Killing this shit is my fault. I'ma be getting the car, getting back up on the fall. Felling me out when I'm chasing the ball with all of my dogs, like in the dark. I'ma just punish you children. What? No, banish them off. Fuck. I'ma go ahead and switch this month. Underdog getting this shit, I'm right. I'm insane, you saying I run. Gonna go pop and jump the gun. I'ma go Phoenix like the Suns. I'ma go down and run it up. It ain't over till it's done. Kick this bitch just like a punt. What you need?
Tiny.
Mook got the keys.
Growing up in the hood, gotta make it out. Never tie my shoes until them times I had to break out. Heard that nigga got it while I wanted time to stake out. You can lose focus, time is money, that shit play it out. Old heads telling me be careful, cops is racist. I like my jewelry plain diamonds in my girl bracelet. Never want for nothing, cut my problems, I'ma face them. I'm feeling like a crip, cause I'm stingy with them faces. I don't see walk a nigga, all I do is see notes. Come from time to struggle with this shit, I had to be most. What you know about selling weed, then going to report. Taking drugs back like a cycle, it just reflowing. No need to hear the liquor till it drops, so I just keep going. You say you fuck with me, but you a snake, little bitch, I been on. You can't give me game, little bitch, I already been on. So fuck you and your shit, and that plane you flew in on. I might cop some diamonds, nigga, shining, bling, blinging. I'm up on the bands, ball a block and phone ringing. 9 got hot, 9's how it's feeling. I went cop a Smitty, we all got a time limit. I might catch a case, but nigga, you gon' catch these shells. Living in the city kept us from being little kids. Exposed to them hoes and the violence from my peers. Nigga too poor, couldn't afford no Nike Airs. Growing up in the hood, gotta make it out. Never tie my shoes until them times I had to break out. Heard that nigga got it while I wanted time to stake out. You can lose focus, time is money, that shit play it out. Old heads telling me be careful, cops is racist. I like my jewelry plain diamonds in my girl bracelet. Never want for nothing, cut my problems, I'ma face them. I'm feeling like a crip, cause I'm stingy with them faces. Got so many in the graveyard. I keep in touch with my niggas that's in the state yard. I remember coming home, my nephew.
So, yon. Tapos na yung upper. So, yung mga tela na lang. At hindi na ako mag-explain. Ito na lang yung huli kong explain. or sasabihin kasi hanggang sa matapos na to. At yeah. Speechless din ako sa nagawa ko. And ayun, sobrang hirap niya kasi guhit. And yun, eto pa, hindi ko matansya kasi lahat ng lumabas na may royal blue is black lahat. So, ibablock ko na lang lahat to. At eto, syempre, iwanan ko kasi white siya. At ayun, papag-giveaway ko to, size 5.5, i-help, pag naka 1,000 subs, ibibigay ko sa inyo to. Kasi hindi ko naman talaga to susuotin kasi hindi ako fan ng Air Force One. Ayan, ako talaga fan. Sobrang laki para sa akin. And ayun, papamigay ko siya pag naka 1,000 subs. And ayun, basta sub lang na sub. Tapos, papamigay ko to. Hindi lang naman to yung unang giveaway ko. So, masusundan pa to. Lalo na pag nakasahod na tayo. If ever. Or naka-ukay ako. Tapos di ko trip. Ibigay ko na lang sa inyo. So, yan. Tatapusin ko na to. Sa uulitin.
I don't want the shit. I don't wanna be a boyfriend or other shit. I don't wanna get involved with all these other chicks. I don't wanna get involved with any of the shit. With all these other chicks, I'd rather fucking make it than fuck all these other chicks. With all these other chicks, I'd rather fucking make it than fuck all these other chicks. 1 shot, 2 shots, you gonna get some more. 5 shots, 6 shots, you gonna hit the floor. 9 shot, 10 shots, you never wanted more. I'm supposed to be a boy.